The orange earth bus goes rumble, rumble, rolling fast with a happy jumble. Where will we go? Just wait and see. A surprise is waiting for you and me. Apple swinging from a tree so high, crunchy, red, and sweet, oh my. He rolls and laughs, come ride with me. The fruit bus stops, beep, beep, beep. Apple climbs in all shining bright, waving to friends with pure delight. Banana slides down, peel so smooth, full of energy, I'll keep you in the groove. He jumps with a flip, lands on his feet. The bus arrives, honk, beep. Banana hops on with a happy cheer. Picnic or playground, where will we steer? Orange rolls round with a juicy spin, giggles and laughs with zest within. He bounces once, he bounces twice. The fruit bus stops, oh that's nice. Orange hops in, I can't wait to know, where will this fruity adventure go? Grapes dance together, a bunch so sweet, stomping their toes to a picnic beat. They clap their hands and wiggle around. The fruit bus comes with a friendly sound. They hop aboard in a bouncy bunch, dreaming of treats for a picnic lunch. Mangoes golden, juicy and ripe, shining in the warm sunlight. He twirls around with a happy song. The fruit bus honks, come along. Mango jumps in with a cheerful grin. Can't wait to see where we'll begin. The bus goes vroom and climbs the hill. The fruits look out, the world is still. A sunny meadow with sky so blue, a picnic waiting just for you. Blankets spread with games and song. The fruit bus picnic is where we belong. From orchard trees to picnic fun, the fruit bus ride is number one. Come along and sing today, the fruity bus will lead the way.